So let's start with today's barbecue chicken wings recipe. So here I've taken half a kg of 500 grams of chicken wings, to which I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. This garlic powder is easily available in stores. Next I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of coarsely ground pepper powder. So what I did is I just roasted the peppercorns a little on my gas stove, and then I just coarsely ground them in my mortar and pestle. Now, if you can't get your hands on garlic powder, you can buy the garlic bread powder and just grind it to a little bit of a finer powder and add it. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. So that you evenly, add the masalas or the powders. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use paprika. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to taste. These barbecue wings are so delicious, and I recommend that you really try out this dish. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we are adding the baking powder because it makes this barbecue wings really crispy. Now you can, if you have a question as to where do I get these barbecue wings, you get them generally at Nature's Basket or even at your local chicken store. Wherever you buy your chicken, if you request them that you want barbecue wings or chicken wings, they will, they do get it. So even at the local chicken store, these wings are available. Now I mixed everything well together, and now I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and again mix everything really well together. All of the spices that we added and the olive oil, mix everything. And now we're just going to cover and set this aside for 2 hours. You can keep it at room temperature or you can refrigerate it. If you're keeping it for a longer time, then I would recommend that you refrigerate it. Otherwise, for 2 hours, you can keep it at room temperature. Now we're going to prepare a sauce. So I'm going to heat my saucepan, to which I'm going to add just about a tablespoon of olive oil. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. 1 tablespoon of honey. Now if you don't have honey, you can substitute it with maple syrup or even pancake syrup. Mix everything really well together. And now we're just going to simmer this on a low flame by stirring it continuously for about 5 minutes till all of the ingredients really mix well together. So just simmer it and just stir it for 5 minutes till it starts to thicken. And use a non-stick saucepan if possible. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And a little bit of soya sauce. Just about half a teaspoon to get the darkish color. And this sauce is ready. It should be nice and thick like this. Now, after marinating the wings for about 2 hours, I'm just going to shallow fry them in 2 tablespoons of oil till they are nicely fried and they're nice and golden brown in color. Now, this would be a good time to even, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. I've transferred these to a plate, and now when they're at room temperature again, I'm just going to dip them into the sauce that we prepared. We're just going to coat them with the sauce. And now I'm going to just lay them on this rack. This rack comes with the oven. And I'm going to put it into my oven and I'm going to grill it. I'm going to use the grill function for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to just keep turning them in intervals of every, 4 or 5 minutes. And now this is ready. So now we're just going to coat it again in the same sauce. Now this sauce was enough for, half a kg, even though it looks little. There was some sauce left over also, which we used as a dip. and your lovely barbecue chicken wings are all ready. This is a must try, guys. If you get your hands on chicken wings, do try out this recipe. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.